In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create color styles in Figma. Color styles are saved sets of color properties that you can apply anywhere in your design. They work for fills, strokes, and even gradients, and they're incredibly helpful for building consistent user interfaces. The real power is that when you update a color style, every object using it updates automatically, so your buttons, text, and icons all stay in sync without manual tweaks. Start by selecting an object that already has the exact color you want to save. This could be a shape, a text layer, or even a frame. If you don't have one on the canvas yet, just draw a quick rectangle, or select a text layer and assign the color you want to capture as either its fill or its stroke. With that object selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar and find the fill or stroke section, depending on what you want to save. If you're planning to reuse a border color, open Stroke. If it's a background or text color, open Fill. Next to the color swatch, click the Styles icon with 4 dots. That opens the Style Picker, which is where you manage and apply styles. In the drop-down, click the plus button or choose Create Style. Give your style a clear, organized name so it's easy to find later. Figma supports slashes, so you can group styles like Brand Primary or Neutral Gray 100. If you want, add a short description to explain when to use it, such as intended backgrounds, text roles, or accessibility notes. Then click Create Style to save it. You've just turned that color into a reusable style in your file. To apply a color style, select the object or multiple objects you want to color. In the right sidebar, go to Fill or Stroke and click the same 4-dot style icon. You'll see your saved styles listed. Choose the one you created. The color applies instantly, and the selection is now linked to that style, which means any future updates to the style will cascade to all linked elements. A quick tip: if you spot a color in your design that you want to capture, use the eyedropper to pick it, then open the style picker and create a style right there while you're applying it. It's a fast way to build a palette from existing work. That's all it takes. Create a few styles for your core palette, name them consistently, and apply them across fills, strokes, and gradients. With color styles set up, maintaining and scaling your designs in Figma becomes faster, clearer, and far more reliable.